Hi, it's Marta in Spanish. So, we are on our last and final video of se. Have you watched the other two? You should, because I explain all the uses of se. I explained 6 uses, and in this video we're going to end this se learning with other 2. Okay, so let's start. What other ways to use se? What's left, you would say? So we have se in Spanish called voz media, and it means that sometimes if you use se or if you don't use se, it changes the meaning of the verb. Not exactly, it's like a little change, okay? No, it's not that it changes completely. So for example, olvidé el reloj en casa. Okay, I forgot the watch at home. Okay, that will be with no se. And if I say, se olvidó el reloj, okay? Let's put it in third person, the first example I've given you. So, olvidó el reloj en casa. He forgot his watch at home. Se olvidó del reloj. So, it's a little difference. The first one, olvidó el reloj en casa, is more physical. You forgot the watch, in your home. And the second one is like mental. Se olvidó del reloj. He forgot about it. Okay? So that's the first use of se that we're going to learn today. And the final one is se in passive. Okay? So, for example, if I say, the book was sold in English, how do you translate that in Spanish? Se vendió el libro. Okay? So we use se. Se vendió el libro. Another one. The perfume is extracted from the flower, okay? El perfume se saca, se extrae de la flor. Okay, so those are the last uses. So if you want, we can revise all of the ones we have studied. Remember our first video, we started with se when you're substituting the direct object and the indirect object at the same time. So for example, compré un reloj a María, se lo compré. Okay? That one is se. Okay, another use, reflexivo. Do you remember that one? The action is for yourself or for someone else. We can use it. Remember that we're studying the third person, but the reflexivo obviously has me, te, nos, os, the other pronouns if you're changing the subject. But we are studying se, so third person, se peina el pelo. Okay? Another use was intensify. Remember, in this case, we can omit it if you don't want to, but if we want to intensify, we can add it. So, lee un libro en un día. Okay, he reads a book in one day. Se lee un libro en un día. Okay, we are intensifying, same meaning. Okay, next one. Now we're going to the second video. We were talking about recíprocos. Remember, recíproco is the same as reflexivo, but when there's more than one in the subject. So, for example, María y Julia se escriben cartas, so they write to each other, okay? Next one was impersonal, so we don't know the subject, we don't care about it. For example, se vive muy bien aquí. One lives very good here, okay? So impersonal. Okay, so we have recíproco, impersonal, and the other one we studied in our last video was voz media, that it means that it changes it has like a different meaning between adding the se or not. For example, olvidarse de algo, forget about something. Olvidar algo, forget something, the physical. Okay, that's one I have explained today, sorry. So, voz media, olvidarse, olvidar. So different meaning if you add se or if you don't. Okay, then we have the pronominal, that's the one of the second video, and it's the verb that needs the se, okay? Dormirse, quejarse, se queja por todo. Okay, and the last use is passiva refleja, the passive, like el libro se vendió, the book was sold, okay? So I hope you have understood everything. We have covered so much in these 3 videos. I hope that you are practicing everything. Practice below, comment below with some examples, and if you want, you can also DM me your examples, or if you have any doubt, just contact me. I'm more than happy to help. Okay, see you in my next one. Bye!